You say goodbye to Mama Rose, Therine.
Bye, Mama Rose. Thank you for having me here, for the food, the yummy food.
Come back anytime.
Yes.
Ah, yes.
I will wait for you in July.
Yes.
The secret July plans, top secret.
Yes.
I will definitely help you with that.
Don't tell anyone to us.
We won't.
Tell them when the time comes.
And Therine, what do you think of the beach?
It is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
In spite of the erosion, right?
Oh, look at it.
The sun is so fine.
Yes.
Amazing. All right.
There, in that part.
Bye-bye. Well, I think you chose the right time to leave.
Yeah. See, love, it's raining because Katiil is crying because I'm leaving.
Rain is a blessing.
We said goodbye. I went outside.
Look at him. Oh my gosh. Hello again, friend. Best friend. Huh? How excited and happy are you right now? You saw the carabao. You really wanted to see white carabaos, though? We actually just met the owner of the 2 white carabaos, and I'm hoping, not now, but I said in the future, if ever, maybe I could buy it, one of the baby white carabaos, and give it the best life ever. Just have it live in peace. So
Walk him on the beach.
walk him on the beach, let him eat all he wants. So we'll see, maybe one day. Up in the fog. You can't get over it still? You still can't get over it.
No, there's tears.
You can't. Why were you so happy?
Because I saw the carabao. The white cute carabao. Now I get emotional because of a carabao. Yayay. Can you hear the yayay?
What's a yay? Oh, the cicadas?
Is that the
That's a sign, yeah, that's a sign of a healthy environment. Speaking of healthy environment, we are here in Maragusan. We stayed at my friend's farm last night. I just noticed this morning on the drone that mahogany trees actually change color. All of these trees up here, you can see them on the drone. The leaves, it reminds me of Canada in fall. I didn't realize they change color, literally. Very, very cool. These are planted in 1998, my friend was saying. So they're almost 25 years old. Mahogany. Okay, gotta run out. We are here in Maragusan, and we're walking around my friend's farm. The beautiful place I always get a chance to stay at. Thank you, Sangai. And Therine is taking photos because it's her first ever. What is your first ever?
First ever to see a mangosteen tree.
Here. Mangosteen tree. Okay. We're gonna go on a little adventure today, but in the meantime, we're just gonna look at some of the beautiful vegetation. Therine sees a mangosteen tree. Durian trees over here at my left. I gotta be fast because I don't want them to fall on my head. Right there. Hello. Oh, literally dangerous. Okay. I know, I don't wanna. Okay. Let's go on a little adventure today. In the meantime, Therine wants to look at the fancy chickens. See you in a bit. We're passing through Maragusan, the main part of the town. We stopped to get some snacks. Check this out. Buchi ube. Right there, buchi ube. It's like a ball of bread with purple inside. Anyways, we're gonna try and go to Lake Leonard and a hot spring waterfall. That's that. We'll see you on the mountain road if we make it. I don't know if it's this way.
Nobody said that we can pass through somewhere where it's not rough.
Really, yeah. Really small little studios. I feel like we're driving through Cordillera style towns here. Just on the lake on the left. We're looking for a little coffee shop. Supposedly there's a viewpoint coffee shop kicking around somewhere. Okay. Don't be intimidated when the road ends in a little bit. It's just when you, sorry, you're bouncing a bit. When you go through little studios, the concrete tends to end, and then you just get that kind of gravelly, rough road. But then you'll see again here the concrete comes back. Can you see right there? Those are called angel's trumpets. They're a unique little flower, beautiful. They grow on a plant. I heard from friends of friends of friends that if you boil those in tea and drink them, it can actually make you go insane, like crazy. So don't do that, but I have heard that people have done that before, drank the angel's trumpet in a tea, and it's made them go crazy. So many of them, another one here more. Hey, how are you? ¿Cómo está? Never been here before. Tambo Cafe View Deck. It's raining. Yeah. Hello, ¿cómo How are you?
Hi.
Woo!
Hi, Kulos.
Hello.
Welcome to Tambo Cafe. Kasama na po.
Pangalan si
Michelle.
Michelle.
And Darlene.
Okay, this is Darlene, Michelle, and we are gonna get some sequate, some coffee, some snacks, and we're gonna go look at the awesome view. Thank you. We're gonna go Filipino snackings. Look at this place, it's really nice. Beautiful, no? It's really, really cool. I'm happy I finally came up here. We passed by on our scooter like a long time ago, but this was not here. Oh, picture time. In the, yeah, super nice, no? I didn't know that really. Like that. Did you get that, love?
Yeah.
Tambo, overlooking. Okay, so I'm in the giant coffee cup, the Tambo View Deck coffee cup, and I just found out Tambo means to oversee or to look out. So I'm Tambo over Lake Leonard. This place is super beautiful. The low-lying clouds are just amazing. How do you say in Tagalog, Tambo?
Tambo is the walis.
Ayo, Tambo in Tagalog, Tambo is like walis, like to make like broom. Pero Bisaya, looking over.
So meaning in Bisaya.
Oh, unsay second meaning? Unsay second meaning sa Bisaya?
Mo na siya ang sinig tambo tapos dungaw lantaw.
Ah, okay. Oh, so it can also mean walis.
Yes.
So it,
Meaning.
oh, so
Because like that sir, mga tambo kasi na tambo na.
ah, do they?
Kana nga mga tanong.
Ah, is that the things down there that like they use?
Kanang mga naadira para mahimo
I get it. So maghimo tambo. So the lake, the stuff planted magtanom around the lake. That's for tambo, for making brooms.
Yes.
And then tambo can also mean to look over. Now I get it. So all the things surrounding the lake as well, they can be used to make walis or tambo. Oh my gosh. Is it good? That is homemade chocolate ice cream.
It's really good.
That's a kamote bar. I've never had a kamote bar. I'm going for it right now.
It's really good ice cream.
It's kind of moist. It's so good. Oh my gosh, the kamote bar is amazing. I love, you have to try it. That's puto maya, in case you're wondering. Okay, let us know. Kamote bar. As she's grabbing it, that's sequate, that's brewed coffee. This is an amazing view, of course. So good, no? Holy smokes, that orange thing. I gotta run over and quickly say that they rock. Ready? You ladies rock, it's so good. Yes. Lami gayo. Lami. No worries. And the Lami view. So this place actually stretches all the way down. They have cacao trees. I have a feeling they use that in the sequate. Beautiful little picturesque view deck things. They even have a boat here with a little paddle. And another chocolate tree. And the last view deck down here, there's even rooms, and they told me they're available 24 hours, so very, very cool. And Darlene and Michelle, the two ladies who are running this place, are so nice. Super friendly.
They are. And the food is good.
The food is good. In fact, we had a beef tapa too, and it was really flavorful. Everything was delicious. Highly suggest again, come here, and best Monday to Friday, like they said, so it's not so busy. Lake Leonard. Hot Spring Waterfall mission. Let's go. Remember the time you came to Mindanao and you found yourself in Leyte?
Yeah, I've been to New Bataan, New Leyte,
New Manay?
New Manay. Well, I'm actually just waiting to see New Cavite here.
This whole area again, super cool, driving through the barangays. That place is super delicious and amazing. The kamote bars are like the best thing ever. I could have brought a whole tray for friends. The ice cream homemade, the ladies super friendly.
It's so good.
Super good. Lake Leonard happens to be volcanic, and that is why there's a lot of hot springs around. So next for us is about 6 or 7 kilometers down the road. We should get to the waterfall.
Let's go.
Yes. What is that?
Oh, Ernie.
It looks like an alpaca.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Love, it's a goat that looks like an alpaca.
What is it? Yeah, get the...
Love.
Look at this thing. It's so funny.
The goat with bangs.
Look at it.
The blonde.
It's like an alpaca goat.
It's an alpaca goat.
It is the coolest goat I've ever seen.
Wait a minute.
Oh my gosh. That is the coolest goat. They also have the coolest goat ever here. That is a legendary Jeep. That was so cool. for this. Here we go. It's been a long time. That's nice, though.
Oh, it's so...
Yeah, it's nice. Welcome back. This place has really developed and become famous over the years. I first came here in 2017. Hot Spring Waterfalls, super, super cool. Imagine this is a Monday at 1 p.m. but there's so many people. What's up, bro? I'll say hello to those guys later. We're gonna go up. Woo! A steaming waterfall, it's gravity.
You can eat here.
Woo!
This is my favorite waterfall.
I've never seen her actually so excited to go into waterfalls before. Woo! And say shoutouts, Fred.
Shout out sa Injari. Nabilin, wala na pa yung ligo. Papagom. Oh, papagom. Papagom. Shout out.
Represent, represent.
Hey, shout out. Asim Serapio.
I've never seen Therine swim for so long. She spent an hour swimming and floating.
So nice. The locals were so friendly. Met
Yeah.
the ate from Tagum. She says that she's a follower. And then the kids started asking me questions. Seryoso, Marites.
The kids are being Marites. Actually, pretty much everybody there took a photo and chatted to me as we were hanging out. And aside from that though, what I noticed what was really cool is a lot of the locals were just chatting like in the falls, and then we'd just start talking to Therine, and even though she's Tagalog and they're from like Tagum or Nubataan or Nabunturan, the vibes are so friendly and nice. And of course it's a busy place, because imagine this is a Monday at like 1:32 p.m. so imagine, you know, like the place gets super busy, but it is still so worth dropping into because it's so unique. But
I think that every time I come to Batila, I would certainly pass that waterfall.
I mean, a steaming waterfall.
I would bring my friends and my family in there.
It's really, you just kind of have to see it. I can't believe I was there 5 years ago and it was just a little nipa hut and like nobody around, and now it's like the it place for everybody from around the area to come and swim. Okay, off we go to Tagum.
Now I don't feel my migraine anymore.
The healing properties.
Because earlier I'm quite quiet because I'm having a bad tummy and I'm having migraine. So after taking a dip into that hot water, I feel well. I feel better. So it's healing water.
This is it. Oh my gosh. Right back where we started.
I feel well up. I can't go.
Bye-bye. Bye. All right, so Therine is headed back to Cavite. She is going to be rocking her social enterprise, Likang Maragusan. If you don't know what that is, look it up. I've posted about it many times before. Social enterprise from Maragusan. I have to go prepare for a big presentation I'm doing and just do a bunch of work. So I'm not sure where I'm going to see you next, but thank you everybody for the positive comments and vibes. And yeah, for sharing some beautiful Davao and, well, yeah, Davao region. We were a bunch of different areas with us. So power on. See you in the future, everybody. Thanks again for the positive vibes, and Therine really appreciates it.